In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion support services. By the end, you'll know exactly how to embed a live Google Sheet inside a Notion page, so your data stays accessible and up to date without switching tabs. First, open your browser and search for Notion on Google. From the results, click through to the official Notion website. Once you're there, select Log In. Use whichever sign-in method you prefer and complete the quick sign-in flow. After you're in, you'll land in your workspace, ready to work. Next, navigate to the page where you want the Google Sheet to appear. If you don't already have a page, you can use any existing one in your workspace. Open that page, then click directly in the main body area so the text cursor is active. This tells Notion you're about to add something new to the content. Now on a blank line, type / followed by the word Embed. As soon as you type it, Notion will show a menu of blocks that match what you typed. Look for the block labeled Embed. This block is designed to display live content from external links right inside your page. Go ahead and click Embed. A small field will appear asking for a link. Paste the shareable link to your Google Sheet into that field. For the best results, make sure the Google Sheet is set so that anyone with the link can view it, or that it's published in a way that allows embedding. This prevents permission errors and ensures your teammates can see the content as intended. Also, remember to avoid sharing sheets that contain private or sensitive information. After pasting the link, click Embed Link. Notion will process the URL and load your Google Sheet directly inside the page. Give it a moment. You should see a live, scrollable view of your spreadsheet. If it doesn't appear right away, double-check the Google Sheet's sharing settings and confirm that the link you pasted is correct and viewable. When embedded properly, the data stays synced, so updates in Google Sheets are reflected in Notion without any extra work. That's all there is to it. You searched for Notion, logged into your account, clicked into the page body, typed the embed command, selected the embed block, pasted your Google Sheet link, and confirmed by clicking Embed Link. With this setup, you can keep your team aligned by bringing live spreadsheets into your documentation and project pages. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you streamline your workflow with Google and Notion.